Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking at the sticker prices on dealership lots lately, you know exactly why I made this video. We are living in an era where basic trucks are crossing the $60,000 mark, and frankly, it's getting ridiculous. Today, we are looking at the top 5 cheapest and most powerful pickup trucks hitting the market for 2026. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying every other truck out there is bad, but for this list, we focused on the machines that are actually making people excited. We're talking about overall value, practicality, affordability, and that unique appeal that comes with a price tag that doesn't feel like a mortgage. The current market is flooded with trucks that have all the fancy bells and whistles, but most of them aren't practical for a working person or a small business owner. Personally, I'm annoyed by the luxury-only trend in pickups. That's why I've spent months researching the outliers, the trucks that offer raw power and real-world utility without the fluff. If one truck on this list doesn't fit your lifestyle, keep watching because I guarantee you'll find your next rig by the end of this video. Truck number 1. The GMC Sierra Concept, $15,000. Let's start with a shocker. General Motors is shaking up the entire automotive world with a new $15,000 pickup truck concept. You're probably wondering, is it any good or is it just a glorified golf cart? We wondered the same thing, but this truck is unlike anything else, especially when you stack it against small truck rivals like the Ford Maverick. The buzz around this GMC concept is deafening. Why is it so cheap? A $15,000 price tag for a brand-name truck is almost unheard of in 2026. But it actually makes sense. There is a booming demand for affordable vehicles as we face record inflation. Small businesses and families need tools, not toys. GM CEO Mary Barra has been steering the company toward more accessible and eco-friendly options, and this is her answer to the 15K challenge. How are they pulling it off? They are following the Toyota method. Toyota recently dropped prices on some global models by focusing only on key features and skimping on the rest. GM is taking notes, focusing on sustainability, fuel efficiency, and a lightweight build. But it's not just a budget box, it actually looks aggressive. It features a bold front grille and sculpted LED headlights. The standout feature is the multi-pro tailgate, which offers 6 different configurations. It can turn into a workbench or a step system for easy loading. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's perfect for everyday tasks and urban hauling, but let's be clear, this isn't a heavy-duty towing beast. If you need raw, earth-shattering power, you need to see our next entry. Number 2. The Caterpillar Pickup Truck. When we talk about performance, the 2025 and 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck doesn't just meet expectations, it absolutely blows them out of the water. For the first time, the king of heavy machinery is entering the consumer pickup market, and they brought their industrial DNA with them. This truck is designed for people who need a reliable workhorse. For those who crave top-tier performance, Caterpillar is offering a 6.7-liter V8 engine that is a total showstopper. We are looking at an impressive 450 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque. If that's not enough, there is an optional performance package that boosts the output to a jaw-dropping 500 horsepower. The surprising part? It's not a total gas guzzler. The base engine offers a respectable 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. There's even a hybrid model on the horizon that promises 25 mpg combined. The price? It starts out around $40,000 for the entry-level model, while a fully loaded version hits about $60,000. But the real wow factor is the resale value. Caterpillar machines are built to last decades, and this truck is expected to hold its value better than almost any Ford or Chevy on the market. With advanced trailer sway control, hill descent assistance, and a standard 4WD system, this is the truck for people who actually use their beds and hitches. Number 3. 2025-2026 Fiat Fullback. Next up is a brand you might not expect to see in the pickup segment, Fiat. Known for small urban cars, Fiat is expanding with the Fullback. This truck is redefining affordable without sacrificing quality. Starting at just $27,000, it's a masterclass in versatility. Under the hood, it boasts a robust 2.4-liter diesel engine available in two tunes, 150 horsepower or 180 horsepower. Both deliver high torque for towing. Fiat actually teamed up with Mitsubishi using the legendary L200 platform to ensure this engine lineup is bulletproof. The Fullback offers selectable drive modes, allowing you to switch between 2WD for the highway and 4WD for rocky or muddy trails. Inside, the cabin is a technological marvel with durable materials designed for long-term wear. It's got a towing capacity of up to 6,800 pounds, making it perfect for boats or small trailers. While Fiat vehicles sometimes struggle with resale value, the Fullback's Mitsubishi-sourced internals might just change that narrative for 2026. Truck number 4, the 2025/2026 Nissan Frontier. If you want a truck that you can keep for 20 years, look no further than the 2025 Nissan Frontier. Nissan has become a household name for reliability, and this new model doubles down on that reputation. The biggest news for 2026? Nissan has replaced the old Jatco CVT with a trusty ZF 9-speed automatic gearbox. This transmission is already a legend in the industry for going over 100,000 miles with zero issues. While everyone else is moving to tiny, complicated turbocharged 4-cylinders, Nissan is sticking with the simple is better philosophy. They are keeping the reliable, naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 that pumps out 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. It's an absolute beast. The 2WD model gets a solid 24 mpg on the highway, matching many of its turbocharged rivals. Pricing starts under $32,000 for the base S trim, while the luxury-focused SL trim starts at $41,000. For the off-roaders, the Frontier Pro X offers an all-wheel drive system and rugged styling for around $42,000. It doesn't give you 20 different engine options, but it gives you one V6 that works every single time you turn the key.
Truck number 5, the Kia Tasman. Finally, we have the newcomer that has the industry sweating, the Kia Tasman. It might not be the most powerful truck on this list, but it's arguably the smartest. Kia has nailed the midsize market by creating a truck that is just right for the masses. The Tasman offers two engine options, a turbocharged 4-cylinder with 290 horsepower or a brawny V6 with 350 horsepower and 375 pound-feet of torque. But here is where Kia is playing 4D chess. They are future-proofing the Tasman with hybrid and all-electric options. The EV model is expected to have a 300-mile range with instant torque. The Tasman is designed for efficiency, with some models estimated to hit up to 45 mpg on the highway. It handles like a much smaller vehicle, thanks to adaptive dampers and electric power steering, but it still has the ruggedness to go off-road, with locking differentials and high ground clearance. Starting at a highly competitive $25,000, the Tasman is aimed directly at the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma. With Kia's industry-leading warranty and reputation for tech-heavy interiors, the Tasman is a massive threat to the status quo. So, there you have it. 5 trucks for 2026 that prove you don't have to spend $80,000 to get a powerful, capable rig. Whether you want the $15,000 GMC concept for your small business, the Caterpillar V8 for heavy-duty work, or the high-tech Kia Tasman, there is finally some light at the end of the tunnel for truck buyers. Thanks for watching.